A situation at a hospital for the law and you. Joining us tonight, as always, attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Ceramboli. Guys, thanks for being back with us tonight.
Happy Friday.
Yeah, the weekend just about here. Big holiday shopping weekend.
Listen, we're going to be here tomorrow. Law and you. That's the only thing I put on my schedule.
All I'm thinking about.
So before you hit the mall, hit the law and you first on Eyewitness News.
You
All
know
right,
it.
here's our question tonight. And this one involves a situation at a hospital for Pete in Lock Haven. I was at a hospital for a same-day procedure. After the procedure, I developed MRSA and became septic. I almost died and have had to have 6 surgeries since. They just sent me a bill for $50,000. I do not think I should have to pay this. What can Pete in Lock Haven do here?
Pete, I mean, you have, you do have the ability to fight that bill. Especially, there's legislation now that MRSA, it's a preventable medical error. And, if the insurance company is trying to bill you for a preventable medical error, then, you do have the right to fight it. It's going to be very complicated because ultimately, you're going to need to have a lawyer, and you're going to look at it from a medical negligence standpoint as well. But that's a big bill. $50,000 is a big bill. So I would highly recommend that you get all of your documents in order and get to a lawyer that handles medical negligence cases, because that's the only way that ultimately you're going to be able to get that bill wiped out.
Yeah, and then the medical negligence dealing with infection cases are very, very difficult. We've looked at a bunch of them, and I don't know if we've ever litigated one yet, but they're very difficult cases to put into a courtroom because infections do happen in hospitals. So, MRSA, again, it should be preventable, but they do happen quite often. So, you really got to gather your records, get all your notes, get everything you need, get to a lawyer, and get an opinion quickly because the statute of limitations is running.
Yep.
Our viewers that need your legal direction or advice, what's the best way to reach you?
Give us a call, 570-714-HURT. See us on the web, 714hurt.com.
And you will not see Greg at the mall this weekend because he will be working the hotline like crazy.
That's right.
Like crazy this weekend.
Phone in one hand, barbell in the other.
Oh, yeah.
So working those arms in 2 different ways.
Getting bigger.
All right, results matter with attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Ceramboli. Guys, thanks. We'll see you next time. Don't forget, PAHomepage.com and the Law and You hotline are always open.